Hi, my name is Rahmatullah. Today I will talk about 6 website and some bonus website that can help you as a beginner for creators like me. So let's see what are these websites. Okay, the first one is vidabo.net. It's a very interesting website. You can see all kind of footage you will get here, like for the medicals, musicals, industry, business, animals, and everything. And also templates are categorized for different software like Final Cut Pro. I use Final Cut Pro for the video editing, and DaVinci Resolve also there, Premiere Pro and After Effects also. And also categorized as footage and motion graphics, like in if you see, you can see the motion graphics and different kind of motion graphics are there. All are free. You can download it and use it as per your requirements. Okay, and also 4K animation is also there. You can see here, like there you can see the different kind of animation. All are 4K videos footage, so you can use easily without any losing any quality. Okay, and the second website that we have is pexel.com. It's also interesting website. Also the footage are categorized in different way, like in, as you can see there, the HD backgrounds, like you can change the background using green color, and also the you can use that kind of footage for this. And here you can see there different kind of footage or there, all are different kind. Okay, abstract, nature, free background, blurs background, as a you can use as a blur background. You can see there of different kind. And for outdoors background, HD wallpaper, texture, outdoor, everything you can see there. Just look at first time, you will get. And the third website that we have is cover.co. This also interesting website that we have. So yeah, the video clip of different kind you can see there, every kind, like for fitness, business and works, love and relationship, pupils, everything. A real videography also there. And view all, you can see all kind of, yeah, categorize, you can see all different kind of videos clips. Okay, so we have fourth website that is mixkit.co. That's also interesting kind of website, you can visit it. So the here the video clips are categorized or collected in the form of like background, Christmas. You can see the Christmas, like for 25 December we have Christmas. You can use here 499 stocks video clip are there. So here you will get the Santa Claus also and everything. Like you can see there the Christmas, everything, like for lighting and everything. Okay, so we have fifth website that is of pexabe.com. From here you can get the music also there. You can see there music. Okay, music and sound effect also here. Different kind of sound, like for you can see different kind, like for gunsur and everything. Let's play it. It's interesting. Okay, also video clip also there, like you can see there video clips of different kind. And we have sixth website that is of course Canva. So let's see. So you have to first search YouTube videos. Here you can see there the YouTube video templates. Every template, like for the introduction of your channels and for the subscriber or comment and everything you will get from there. And also you can customize, like I want to add welcome. Okay, first one intro part, okay, for a video. So here you can customize this template, and after customize you can download. Here you can change, like you can change the font color. Let's say I want to change the color. Okay, it happens. And I want to increase the font also, there you can increase in this way. Also I want to add it, I want to just delete it, so you can delete in this way. And we have some bonus website. First one is split share. Here we can see all videos are uploaded on YouTube. You can download it from here, like here just click on the download and you will get to know all the video clip here of different kind also there. You can use it without any hesitation, freely, without any copyright or anything. Okay, and make your video perfect as a beginner. So and the second, the life of kids here also, like for drone shot, here also the video clip are categorized in different way. Like for drone shot, here you can see, like I want to see about the video clip or drone shot, all are drone shot taken by drone. Okay, so just download or use it, no problem. And we have another website, that is clipsstill.com. Okay, so here also, buy me a coffee, you can buy coffee for him, no problem. Here also the categorize different kind of video, like for in term of pupils, children in snow, walking in rain, and everything. In term of pupil, you can see there, snowy bridge, girls arm outstretched, girl in snow, everything you will get from there. Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye, take care.